Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get the best deals. Did Black Friday leave you yearning for that perfect pellet grill deal? It's a truly delicate art, sifting through the sea of sales to find that one golden bargain. But fear not, for we've done the legwork and today we're here to share the insights. This year, the market was ablaze with deals on top-tier pellet grills. But among the pack, two contenders stood out: the Pit Boss 440D2 and the Solo Stove Grill. Both grills were on sale during this Black Friday, yet they offered distinctly different experiences. The Pit Boss 440D2, for instance, is a heavyweight champion. With a cooking temperature range of 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it is quite the versatile machine. This grill is powered by all-natural hardwood pellets and comes with a fan-forced convection cooking system. This means you can sear, char grill, barbecue, roast, smoke, braise, and even bake with precision. Also, it boasts a total of 465 square inches of cooking area, including a removable upper cooking rack. On the other hand, the Solo Stove Grill, known for its smokeless and durable design, offers a different kind of grilling experience. It's a more compact option, yet it doesn't compromise on performance. The Solo Stove Grill Ultimate Bundle even comes with its own set of accessories, including a stand, shelter, and carrying case. This grill has a 360 square inch cooking area and utilizes both direct and indirect heat for a versatile cooking experience. But how do they stack up in terms of value for money? Well, the Pit Boss 440D2, with its mahogany finish and heavy-duty steel construction, offers a premium feel at a mid-range price. The Solo Stove Grill, on the other hand, is a more affordable option, particularly with the Black Friday discounts, and still offers a high-quality grilling experience. In conclusion, this year's Black Friday event brought some seriously sizzling deals on pellet grills. Whether you're a seasoned grill master looking for a luxurious upgrade in the form of the Pit Boss 440D2, or a casual griller seeking a compact, efficient option like the Solo Stove Grill, there were options to suit all tastes and budgets. So remember, when the next Black Friday rolls around, keep your eyes peeled for these top-tier grills. Who knows, you might just snag yourself a bargain that will have you grilling like a pro. And now, before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder for you. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to snag the best deals on these top-tier grills. Whether you're setting up for a summer BBQ or planning a cozy winter cookout, we've got you covered. And remember, grill smarter, not harder.